Hi, I'm Chetna Makan and I'm very excited to be back here on the Waitrose channel with a delicious recipe. Today I am making cauliflower steaks with onion cashew nut sauce and it is as delicious as it sounds. I love cauliflower. I think you can do so much with cauliflower. And then I have taken a slight idea from the butter chicken sauce and I've put it into this one and the combination is absolutely divine. So first things first, we're going to prepare the sauce, and for that I am going to chop up some onions. So you can either take one large onion or take two medium sized and then just thinly slice them. There are many reasons why I love this dish, because you can have it as a main meal with a few sides or have it on its own because it is quite a complete dish, and at the same time you can serve it piping hot, and if the weather is good you can serve it at room temperature as well. And also the fact that it's vegan is really good. And now a nice hot pan and some sunflower oil. You could use rapeseed oil as well, just a little bit so there is enough for the onions to fry in. And at this point I'm also going to add the cashew nuts into this. And now all I have to do is cook this for around 10 to 12 minutes until it's beautifully golden. Adding the cashew nuts makes this really creamy and delicious, but if you're allergic to nuts you can skip it, and then at the end you could add some double cream or some dairy-free alternatives. Just keep a close eye on the onions. You don't want to burn them, but you want a beautifully golden caramel sort of color. Only then will you get that flavor we're looking for. You can find the full recipe link in the description below. So I used a bit extra oil so that the onions have enough to fry evenly, and once we've reached this lovely golden color, I'm going to collect all the excess oil in a bowl underneath, because that's a delicious oil which we'll use in a bit. And now to blitz it to a puree. So I'm going to add a few things to this. A little bit of chili. I am using the whole chili, but you can adjust the heat according to your taste. And make sure all the onion peels and chili tops go in the compost. Bit of sugar, a little bit of salt, some garam masala. The garam masala has got a lot of spices in it already, so a bit of cinnamon, a bit of cardamom, some mace, and every garam masala tastes slightly different. Tomato puree. And I'm not going to add all of this. I'm going to keep a tiny bit separate to finish the cauliflower. Also a little bit of water because that's going to help it blend. And that's our sauce ready. So now we can move on to the cauliflower. This recipe is great with cauliflower because once we've cooked it, it's got little charred bits and it softens up nicely. And I am making one steak today, but this sauce should easily serve 2 or 3 people. And if you're not using all of it, you can just freeze up the sauce and then use it another time. I'm just going to cut in the middle, and whatever is left of this cauliflower, you can try so many different recipes with it, and you can find all those recipes on the channel. I'm just going to cut a nice thick piece of cauliflower. If you have a cauliflower with the leaves on the side, don't get rid of it. It tastes delicious once it's cooked through. And now I'm going to fry this up. I'm using the same pan here. I haven't washed it because this has still got a load of flavor, and this is where this leftover onion oil is going to come in handy. Add in our cauliflower steak. And if you want super soft cauliflower, you can also use a lid because the steam will help it cook even further. This is now going to cook for around 5 minutes, and then I'm going to turn it over and cook it a bit more. Oh, look at that. A few more minutes on this side now. So the cauliflower has had its time. Oh, the smell. I love cooked cauliflower smell, and especially if it gets those charred bits, it smells so nice. So now I'm just going to plate it up. Our lovely sauce that we prepared earlier, and you can just drizzle it on top. And now the few bits of onions and cashew nuts that we kept earlier, this is what we need it for. This is a dish which is layered with flavor and textures. You've got the soft cauliflower, then you've got the smooth, creamy sauce, and then we're finishing it with the crunchy cashew nuts and the fried onions. And I know some people don't like coriander. Are you one of them? Let us know in the comments below if you love it or you hate it. I love it. Whatever coriander you have left here, just wrap it in some moist kitchen towel and then you can keep it in the fridge for a good few days. And here it is, my cauliflower steak with onion cashew nut sauce. I hope you guys will give this a go. And if you do, please let us know in the comments below or share some pictures with us. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you get a notification every time we share a new recipe.